It is Tuesday, March 15th. This is CBC meteorologist Kalin Mitchell in the Weather Center. We're taking a look at radar across the region. As expected, there is a light, somewhat icy mix falling in the north of New Brunswick. Mixture of some flurries. Might be a little bit of freezing rain in there. Eventual turnover to showers expected. It also looks like here on radar some precipitation has developed around the Bay of Fundy, but I can tell you nothing has been reported yet at the Yarmouth Airport or around St. John. So this is likely some virga or precipitation that is evaporating before it reaches the ground. However, a little bit further down towards the southwest, you can certainly see around the coastline of Maine. That is the main area of precipitation that's going to be building in with this weather system, and that is going to take place this evening, tonight, and be hanging around for parts of Wednesday. So let's take a look at our weather systems map. First of all, there's an area of high pressure that is butting heads with this low pressure system moving up the eastern seaboard of the United States, and that is slowing it down, but it will be moving in. And because it's a slow moving system, it does have the potential to bring parts of the Maritimes a good soak for tonight and tomorrow. I don't like any particular computer forecast model with the rainfall amounts, but this one's pretty close to my thinking, and you can see it's highlighting the heaviest rain in through much of the west and southwest Nova Scotia. Widespread amounts, it could be 20 to 30 millimeters, but maybe the potential for some local amounts to get closer to 40 or 50 if there are some heavier downpours. Amounts lower expected in New Brunswick and in Prince Edward Island, and even moving into the northeast of mainland Nova Scotia and Cape Breton. So no surprise then that as we take a look at the warnings out by Environment Canada, it's rainfall warnings in place for much of the west and southwest of Nova Scotia. You want to be careful about things like localized flooding and hydroplaning conditions on the roads. Now there are a couple of other things I want to talk about with this weather system, so to do that we're going to head over and take a look at our forecast model moving forward. So here's the showers and the rain that is going to be moving in for this evening and tonight. You can see filling in across much of New Brunswick and across much of the southwest of Nova Scotia, reaching up towards Halifax and northern parts of the Annapolis Valley, Hants County by near midnight. It will take until the early morning hours for the rain and the showers to reach Prince Edward Island as well as the northeast of mainland Nova Scotia. Initially, temperatures may be cool enough that there may be some wet snow for both of those areas before the rain takes over, though I expect very little in the way of accumulation. However, in Cape Breton, as this initially starts as some wet snow, don't be surprised to see a couple slushy centimeters before the changeover to rain, and that could create some slick spots on the roads. Here we are Wednesday afternoon, the bulk of the precipitation having cleared New Brunswick and the southwest of Nova Scotia. It will take until the early evening, though, to completely clear Prince Edward Island and the northeast of mainland Nova Scotia, and near midnight for it to clear Cape Breton.